Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uzoma Iroche for the people that are new, and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stick around. Anyway, today I'm coming to you guys with my wash day routine. So I actually cut my hair about 2 months ago, and so this routine is something which I have been trying to perfect. And so this is basically what is working for me right now, and I'll insert a picture here of what my hair looked like when I cut it so you guys can see the progress or whatever. So anyway, I'm not a natural hair guru or anything like that. I'm literally just showing you guys my journey, and just because I want to document it for myself as well, so I just thought, why not bring you guys with me, So yeah, if you want to see what I'm doing now in terms of my hair routine, my hair wash day routine, do stick around and don't forget to subscribe. All right. Okay, so first we're gonna obviously wet the hair in order to be able to lather up the shampoo. And the shampoo I'm using today is the Shea Moisture, Hydrate and Repair Manuka Honey and Yogurt shampoo. And what I'm doing is I'm just working it into my hair, as you can see. Well, not my hair, really my scalp, because shampoo is supposed to go on your scalp, not really supposed to cleanse your hair. It's more like your scalp. And so it's been 3 weeks since I did this, so there was a lot of buildup and gunk which I really was trying to get out. As you can see, I'm scrubbing so vigorously, but yeah, it's up to you obviously. And now what I did is I rinsed off the shampoo, and what I normally do after that is I put on some rice water. So I put on some rice water, and the smell is absolutely atrocious, so I just do that before I do my conditioner. So I leave it on for a little bit, and then I put on my conditioner, and which is basically the same thing, Manuka Honey and Yogurt by Shea Moisture as well. And I'm just obviously working that into my hair now. Also guys, the reason my tips of my hair is so straight is because it was really damaged, and by the time I cut it, it was in the thick of COVID, so I cut it at home, so I didn't really get a proper haircut, and I still haven't gotten one, so that's why the tips are that straight. When I finish doing that, I will normally go in with a wide tooth comb just to distribute the conditioner throughout the strands of my hair to make sure that it all gets in there. After that, I normally go take a shower, and then I wash my conditioner out in the shower so that it has time to sit for 10-15 minutes max. Now I'm just cleaning off some excess water from my hair using this hair towel which I got from Winners. I will try to find a link for it and put it down below. And as you can see, I'm just trying to tap my hair dry so that it's not too damp and not dripping wet as I put on the hair mask. Now I'm going in with this Manuka Honey and Natural Hair moisturizing, when I say it like that, moisturizing mask. And yeah, there's a lot of honey in all of the things that I've used, because honey is actually a humectant, which means that it attracts moisture, and obviously for natural hair it craves moisture. So yeah. Now I'm just using a plastic bag to cover my head, because I'm going to basically be doing a steam kind of thing just at home. So I'm double insulating now by putting my shower cap on. And yeah, what I'm going to do next is use a hairdryer to actually further increase the heat within my little cap situation, so that there's more moisture and humid air going around, which will help the moisture to actually be seeped into the hair strands more. And obviously just gonna have to wait for about an hour after that. And so while I'm waiting, I watch my church online. Shout out to my Lighthouse family in Ottawa. So after that, I take the plastic bag off. And then I wash it off. And now I'm about to do my hot oil treatment. For my hot oil treatment, I use extra virgin olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary oil, and eucalyptus oil. So I mix all of these into my applicator bottle and I put that into boiling hot water, as you can see. And as I shake everything around and pour the water in, the texture of the oil will become a bit lighter, so it won't be as thick as before. The reason why you put it in water and not like a microwave or something is because apparently it loses the good stuff, basically. Yeah, so after that I just put it on my hand, obviously to test to see if it's too hot. When I know that it's okay, I just start distributing all over my hair. And the good part about having an applicator bottle like this is just so that you can actually get down to your scalp area. And I'm just gonna get my edges as well, and yeah, just make sure that it goes around evenly. And I'm just giving myself a little head massage here, as you can see, because massaging your scalp promotes blood flow, and yeah, that's just a very relaxing part of it, because the eucalyptus oil really relaxes you because of the sensation it gives. Anyway, y'all didn't ask. Yeah, I'm just combing my hair through now and making sure to distribute the oils all around, and yeah. That'll be it for my wash day routine. Normally I'll go in with like a cream after, but then I don't like the creams I currently have, so I'm trying to like get a new sort of cream part of my LOC method. So for people that don't know, it's like what is it? I actually don't know. I can't remember, it slipped my mind. I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, so the cream part of that method I don't have for now. So yeah, if you know any good creams that work for you, please recommend them down below. Let me know what your own wash day routine is like. Is it longer or shorter than mine? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss this good content, you know, in the days coming. I have more for you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for getting to this point anyway, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.